and your team, the consultants, and the partners, and also the members of the press. Good morning. My name is John Chisache, one of the partners representing the Uganda Insurers Association. Of course, it gives me a lot of joy this morning to be here to witness the launch of the third Innovation Awards, Insurance Innovation Awards. And I must congratulate the IRA, CEO and the team, number one, for being creative and innovative and coming up with this initiative, but also secondly, for being consistent and running these awards for the third year. I must also thank you for not only encouraging the industry to be innovative, but also recognizing the innovative spirit within the industry. I must definitely commend you for that. Now, of course, we all know that the world changed since 2020 with the impact of COVID. Definitely, we saw a lot of innovation. The insurance industry was not spared, and now, just recently, we also experienced the Ebola outbreak. These all call for innovation. Now, of course, if you look back and look at the period between 2020, late 2019, 2020, and 2021, and if you look at the results of the industry, definitely you will be able to tell that the industry has been very resilient. And one of the reasons why we've been resilient as a sector is because of the concept of innovation. If you look at how we are providing medical insurance, or how we provided medical insurance, how we settled claims, and basically how we tried to ensure that customers access our products, it speaks volumes in terms of the utilization of innovation and especially digitization. Of course, my only worry is, and this I now challenge our regulator and the rest of us within the industry, the worry is that as we are moving away from COVID, the post-COVID era, we see that more or less we are moving back to the old ways of doing things. And I am hoping that through this innovative spirit and the Innovation Awards, the sector can be encouraged to stay on track, stay on course in terms of innovation, so that we don't go back to the old ways of doing things. I will tell you that the risks that we cover have evolved, and it's not possible that we can continue doing things the same way. Now, because the risks have evolved, we as sector players, we also have to evolve in terms of the solutions that we provide. So I would want to challenge my members out there, the insurance fraternity, that we must continuously innovate, but above all, we must participate in any forum that allows us to display and showcase the innovative spirit of the industry. Now, of course, innovation is a journey. It's not simply a one-day affair. It's a journey, and I would want to say thank you to the IRA that the awards are now expanding from the original ones that we started with to the 9 that we are going to see next year. This talks of the journey and where we've been, but also it talks about how evolving innovation also is. I'm very, very interested in the People's Award and the criteria that has been described, because many times when we say People's Award or People's Choice Award, at times we tend to think about the insurer or the player that has, for example, communicated the most. I would want to remind my colleagues, but also remind the media, that it's important that we maintain the innovative spirit, so that at the end of the day, again, the People's Choice Award is tied to to innovation and how customers experience the service of the insurer, the service of the broker, or the service of any other participant, and not necessarily out of the fact that we know that the player X communicates more than the other players, but the spirit of innovation should not be lost. With those remarks, again, I would want to say thank you to the members of the press for partnering with us, for spreading the gospel of insurance. Again, the resilience that we are talking about, that information has been disseminated by you, members of the press. We do not take your partnership for granted, and I think that is there's evidence to show, because of the fact that now you are under the Innovation Awards as well, in terms of the award that is going to go to the members of the press. I would want to conclude by encouraging my members, specifically the insurers, to participate in the Insurance Innovation Awards organized by IRA and the rest of the partners. And I would want to also commit on behalf of the Uganda Insurers Association to the regulator and your team that starting today we are going to rally our members to ensure that they do participate in these awards, because these awards also give us an opportunity to showcase what the insurance industry is all about. So with those remarks, I would want now to wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2023, and look forward to 10th of March when we will be holding the Insurance Innovation Awards. Thank you very much.